this video we're going to measure the voltages across electric components connected in series when the switch is open and when the switch is closed. Using a voltmeter connecting it in parallel, you can see that the voltage across the open switch is 9 volt, which is equal to the voltage across the battery, as you can see. So it's equal here to 9 volts. The voltage across the open switch is equal to the voltage across the battery. However, if the switch is open, the voltage across the receivers like the lamps is 0 volts. See, for L1 and for L2, the voltmeter indicated 0 volts. However, if we close the switch, the voltage indicates 0 volts, just like when we connect it across a connecting wire. So we say that a closed switch acts like a connecting wire and the voltage across it is 0, while the voltage across the battery remains the same, 9 volts, and the voltage across the lamps change 4.5 volts and 4.5 volts for the other lamps. So you can see that U1 plus U2 is equal to U main. Here they have equal voltages because the lamps are identical. So in series grouping, we know that U main equals U1 plus U2. It's additive. So if the lamps are identical, it's going to be distributed equally between them.